Hi folks, this is Tim with Narhi Auction. This is 1984 Ford 555B tractor loader backhoe. This is a four-wheel drive diesel with Extend-A-Hoe. Go ahead, Frank, and start that for us and give us a little demonstration if you would. It's been a good machine for him. Extend-A-Hoe is a real handy feature. Get twice as much done before you have to move your tractor a lot of the time. See, it's operating real smooth and clean. Not seeing any oil pouring out of it any place or anything like that. The machine's been well maintained. Showing you the outriggers work and all that stuff. Forward reverser. What does the hour meter read, Frank?
About 42.15.
42.15 on the hour meter. Good straight machine. Anything that we know of that this needs to have attended to?
No, the dome light don't work.
Okay.
Yeah.
Little things like that you might find, but
No, nothing.
minor things here. But the tractor's a good straight machine, ready to go to work.